Alright, so it's like 6 in the morning. It's been about, they did this yesterday at like 9 a.m. So it's been about 21 hours. About to drive to work. So I did a quick little video. In case I can see any difference when I get there, if there's any cracks or anything like that. So, alright. So this is after about 2 miles of driving. I kept it around 4,000 RPM as much as I could. Trying to get it as hot as I could. You can see it bulbous out quite a bit. I don't know, we'll see. We got an 8-hour shift to see what happens after, so I just got home and opened the hood, and this is just blown away. But you can totally see the crack a little bit better now. You can actually feel it coming out of there and smell it. So there you go. JB weld putty not work in that situation. So this is the tail end, the muffler end here, showing what that did. It just blew it out too. It was drooping down. Just snaps off. Terrible. Doesn't work for anything. As far as up here, the only thing I could think of to do is take some of this thermal shielding or whatever, the wrapped it around there 2 or 3 times, and then just put a hose clamp on there as best I could, right over the crack. It's, you know, it's not much, but it's about all I can do for now. Alright, well, that's about that.